trying to crawl. He's rolling over and scooting. You gonna show everybody? You're doing such a good job. Oh, whoa! Oh my goodness! You gonna come here? You gonna come to Mama? You can do it! Here we go! Doing such a good job! You're doing such a good job, Elliot! Oh. Trying so hard! Trying so hard! Say hello! You getting sleepy? You getting a little tired now? It's a lot of work, huh? It's a lot of work. Hello? Are you laughing? You're doing such a good job. You gonna take a break now? Elliot is 5.5 months old. It is August 18th, I think. Igor and Daddy. 19th, August 19th. Yeah, it's almost time for a nap. And we can practice some more after. Say bye, Elliot. Say bye. Are you watching the TV? Yeah, I think you are. Uh-oh. Say bye-bye.